Hi, good morning everybody. We were discussing transformation of trigonometric transformations. Trigonometric transformations. We finished up to fourth sum, I think. We need to go for fifth sum. Sorry, we finished up to third sum. We need to go for fourth sum. Okay. Fourth first sum. Fourth में first sum. एक्सरसाइज 6F we are doing. एक्सरसाइज 6F फोर्थ में फर्स्ट सम. cos square a by 2 cos square a by 2 so that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 equal to 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 2 into sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Now if you observe the sum, this is cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 and a plus b plus c equal to 180. Is giving a plus b plus c equal to 180 angles of a triangle. Now we already did yesterday one sum, cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Remember the result, very important I told. If you remember that result, 2 steps में this sum is over. If you don't remember, you have to do whole process. We will do the whole process again because we will remember at least this time. Now LHS I am going for cos square theta according to cos 2 theta formula. Cos square theta we can write as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 I told. So cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 into a by 2 a by 2. I gave you a formula 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 is cos square theta. It is nothing but 1 plus cos a by 2 because this is a by 2. Like cos square b by 2 I can write as 1 plus cos b whole by 2. Cos square c by 2 I can write as 1 plus cos c whole by 2. 1 plus cos c whole by 2. If you take 2 as LCM, becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus cos a plus cos b plus cos c whole by 2. Whole by 2. Now, I told you if you remember this result, cos a plus cos b plus cos c, you can simply substitute that value, that is the answer. Sum is over. If you don't remember what to do, you follow the procedure, no problem. No need to by heart. You can do the procedure because it's for 7 marks. If it is for object 2, your sum will go over here itself if you remember the result. That's why I told that is very important result understanding. Now I am doing the same result again. At least you remember this time. I am taking this as equation 1. Now I am going to find cos a plus cos b plus cos c equal to 1. Cos a plus cos b plus cos c. I will find this value and then I will substitute in equation 1. Then I will substitute in equation 1. If you remember this value directly, you substitute in 1. That's it. Those who do not remember, at least follow this time. Again I am saying the same sum repeatedly. Now cos a plus cos b means cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2 means cos of a plus b by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, that is cos of k minus d by 2 plus cos c as is write sometimes. Cos c I write as depends on here we will change this. I told already. So this is equal to 2 cos, in place of a plus b we can write 180 minus c. 180 minus c. So 180 by 2 is 90 minus c by 2. 90 minus c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 as is. Cos of a minus b by 2 as is and plus cos c also as is. I will write into 2 by 2. So that cos 2 theta I will use. Now this cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So this is equal to 2 sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus cos 2 theta formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Now from these two I can take 2 sin c by 2 common. Now from these two I can take 2 sin c by 2 common. 2 sin c by 2 common from the denominator. So how can I proceed now? Now I will take the common 2 sin c by 2 from these two, and 1 I am writing in the beginning. 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into 2 sin c by 2 into left out is cos of a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 minus 2 I took common, 1 sin c by 2 I took common, left out is 1 more sin c by 2. So minus sin c by 2. Now this sin c by 2 again I can write as 180 minus of a plus b by 2 becomes cos a plus b by 2. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2, cos a minus b by 2 minus cos of a plus b by 2, cos of a plus b by 2 minus cos of a plus b by 2, cos of a plus b by 2. Now the equation becomes cos of a plus b by 2. Now this is cos a plus b minus cos a minus b minus 2 sin a sin b. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b which minus goes off. So becomes 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into this is 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. So the final result is 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So remember this result at least from now. Cos a plus cos b plus cos c is 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Now in place of this cos a plus cos b plus cos c I am substituting that. So substituting 1. In place of this I am substituting that. So what happens? The equation becomes 3 plus, in place of this I can substitute that, becomes 1 plus 4 sin a by 2, 4 sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2 by 2. 3 plus 1 4. This is also 4. So I can take 2 common, becomes 2 into 1. Sorry, I can take 4 common. 3 plus 1 is 4. This is also 4. So I can take 4 common. Becomes 1 plus sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. 1 plus sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. Divided by 2 as this. This 2 gets cancelled for 2 times. That only you have to do. 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. So is equal to RHS. And it's equal to RHS. Principle. Now we will go for the next sum. Fifth first very important. Fifth sum is very important for 7 marker. This exercise is very important for 7 marker. I told. Among these, fifth is very important. Cos a by if in a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2. Cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2 is equal to 4 cos pi minus a by 2 by 4 cos pi minus a by 4 cos pi minus b by 4 cos pi minus c by 2 cos pi minus a by 4 cos pi minus b by 4 cos pi minus c by 2 cos pi minus c by 4 you have to simple sum. Two ways of doing the sums. You can do from RHS and you can do it is equal to LHS. That is one option. Otherwise, as usual, LHS is equal to RHS. Usually, RHS is easy for this type of sums, but I am going for LHS only because we are doing every sum in LHS. So, without confusion, we are going from LHS. So, LHS. Now, this is cos C plus cos B. I can use cos C plus cos B. Becomes 2 cos C plus B by 2 means A by 2 plus B by 2. C plus B by 2 by 2. Into cos C minus B by 2 means A by 2 minus B by 2 by 2. Cos C plus B by 2 into cos C minus B by 2. plus cos c by 2 as it is. This cos c by 2 as it is. I will write as cos theta as sin 90 minus theta. So pi by 2 minus c by 2. This cos c by 2 I will write as sin 90 minus theta. So that is cos pi by 2 minus c by 2. Now this is 2 into cos of, if I take LCM, a plus b by 4. A plus b by 4 into cos, this is also a minus b by 2 by 2 by 4 plus this is sin of, if I take 2 LCM, this becomes pi minus c by 2. Pi minus c by 2. Again here also I will do 2 by 2. So that pi minus c by 4. Pi minus c by 4. So I have converted everything in the terms of pi by 4. Now in place of a plus b, I can write 180 minus c. Because giving a plus b plus c equal to 180 degrees. In a triangle side. So a plus b plus c equal to 180. 180 means pi radians only. 180 degrees equal to pi radians I told. So a plus b means I can write 180 minus c. That is pi minus c. So 2 cos I can write as pi minus c by 4 into cos a minus b by 4 plus sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta cos theta 2 sin theta into cos theta 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now from both of these I can take 2 cos pi minus c by 4 common. 2 cos pi minus c by 4 I can take common. 2 cos pi minus c by 4 I am taking common. Left out here is cos of a minus b by 4 cos of a minus b by 4 plus here I took 2 common cos common, left out is sin of pi minus c by 4. Sin of pi minus c by 4. Now instead of pi minus c I can write a plus b. Instead of pi minus c I can write a plus b again. A plus b again. But what is the use? This is cos c, this is sin d. You can't do. It should be cos c plus cos d or sin c plus sin d. For that matter, I will write this cos theta as sin theta as cos 90 minus theta again. Sin theta as cos 90 minus theta. So this is 2 cos pi minus c by 4 as is. Pi minus c by 4 as is. But here coming to this part, cos of a minus b by 4. This is plus sin theta I can write as cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta means pi by 2 minus a plus b by 4. Pi by 2 minus a plus b by 4. Now I can use this is c, this is d, cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d formula. So I will use cos c plus cos d formula means this is equal to cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 I will. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 I will. See what happens. What is the result? So this is equal to 2 cos of pi minus c by 4 as is into this is cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 means d plus d by 2. So a minus b by 4 plus pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 4 by 2 into cos c plus d by 2 is over. Next cos c minus d by 2 means a minus b by 4 minus pi by 2 minus of minus plus a plus b by 4 by 2. Now you take the LCM and simplify. What do you get? 2 cos pi minus c by 4 into 2 cos. If I take 4 LCM, the equation becomes a minus b plus 2 pi minus a minus b by 4 by 2 becomes by 8 into this also cos 4 LCM if I take this becomes a minus b minus pi plus 2 pi plus a plus b by 8 by 8. Now if you observe, A gets cancelled here, B gets cancelled here. A gets cancelled here, B gets cancelled there. So the final result is 2 cos pi minus c by 4 into 2 cos pi minus c by 4 into, this is 2 cos 2 pi minus 2b by 8. If I take 2 cancel, common and cancel, it becomes pi minus b by 4. Into here also cos of 2a minus 2 pi by 8. If I take minus 2 common and cancel, so pi minus a by 4. Because cos of minus theta is plus cos theta, so minus doesn't matter. So minus of a minus pi and writing it as pi minus a. Now the final result is 2 into 2, 4 cos pi minus a by 4 into cos pi minus b by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4. Cos pi minus c by 4. Hence rho is equal to RHS and I took LHS and I got RHS is equal to RHS. Hence rho. This is how we will continue. Now, this is cos c plus cos, same procedure, same sum observed. Only difference is here minus. Very important for some marks, these two are. Now, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, a by 2 plus b by 2 by 2, and directly writing a plus b by 4. Because in the previous one we did step by step. Now I am writing a plus b by 4 direct. Into cos of c minus d by 2, a minus b by 2 by 2 becomes by 4. Minus cos c I get that as sin 90 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus c by 2. Cos c by 2 I get that as sin 90 minus theta. Now this a plus b I get that as pi minus c. Because a plus b plus c is 180 degrees. So pi minus c by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 as is minus this sin 90 minus theta. If I do into 2 by 2, I can write 2 sin theta cos theta. That is 2 sin pi minus c by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4. So that I can take cos pi minus c by 4 common from both. So 2 cos pi minus c by 4. 2 cos pi minus c by 4 I am taking common. Now left out is here cos of a minus c by 4 minus sin of pi minus c by 4. Sin of pi minus c by 4. So in place of pi minus c I can write a plus b by 4. But this is cos minus sin, no use. So again this side I can write as cos 90 minus theta. As in the same procedure, no thing will change. So 2 cos of pi minus c by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 minus the sin theta I can write as cos 90 minus theta. Cos of pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 4. Now cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So 2 cos pi minus c by 4 as is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2. What is c plus d? This plus that means a minus b by 4 plus pi by 2 minus a plus b by 4 by c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Sin c minus d by 2 becomes a minus b by 4 minus pi by 2 minus r minus plus a plus b by 4 4 by 2 c minus d by 2 2 minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now taking LCM and simplifying like the previous one, you will get finally. What do you get finally? This is equal to 2 cos pi minus c by 4 as is pi minus c by 4 as is into minus 2 sin LCM of these two, this whole thing is 4. So if I take LCM, this becomes a minus b plus 2 pi minus a minus b by 4 by 2 becomes by 8. Into same sin of this part is same. A minus b minus 2 pi plus a plus b whole by 2 by 2 by 4 by 2 becomes by 8. Now by simplifying 2 cos pi minus c by 4 into 2 cos pi minus c by 4 into minus 2 sin ka cancel here db cancels. So left out is 2 pi minus 2b by 8, and if I take 2 common becomes pi minus b by 4, and this is sin of 2a minus 2b 2 pi by 4. If I take minus 2 common becomes pi minus a by 4, but minus I can't take common from the sign because sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, so the minus of minus I will make as plus here, so automatically it becomes 2 into 2 4. But observe here, 2 into 2 4 sin pi minus a by 4 sin pi minus a by 4. So what happens? 4 sin pi minus b by 4 a by 4 into sin pi minus b by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4 cos pi minus c by 4. But this not we have to prove. We have to prove cos pi plus a by 4. Instead of sin we need cos again. So write sin theta as cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta as cos 90 minus theta. So becomes pi by 2 minus pi minus a by 4. By taking LCM and simplifying, this is cos of 90 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus pi minus a by 4. 4 LCM. 2 pi minus of minus plus a becomes pi plus a by 4. Same result. So sin 90 becomes cos 90 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus pi minus b by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4 as is. Cos pi minus c by 4 as is. Now this is 4 into cos of 4 LCM means 2 pi minus pi. Pi I told minus of minus plus a by 4. Same here also 4 LCM if I take, it becomes pi plus b by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4. That's what we need to prove other. 4 cos pi plus a by 4 cos pi plus b by 4 cos pi minus c by 4 is equal to RHS. Hence proof. LS equal to RHS. Hence proof. Very important for 7 marker these two are.